Dashboards. So today I just want you to stop scrolling through rows of data to understand your business. Let me turn this Airtable table into a dashboard in under 3 minutes. So this is the sales dashboard I created: the customer, the products, the sell amount, the status, and sales rep. So this, I curated this, both the names and the names, especially not real life customers, but for the purpose of this tutorial. So we'll go to interface, then we are going to create interface. We'll create interface and we'll call it sales 2. Then we are going to connect it to our table, so we'll click on next. So we are building dashboard, and we check here, the layout is dashboard. So you can see dashboard can be in pie charts, it can be in bar charts, and if you want to view, this is the desktop view and this is the mobile view. Then we'll click on this. So when you look at this, you see that this does not look perfect. Then we'll click on finish, and this is where we can now do the magic. So here now is either we add our summary elements such as total sales, completed sales, pending sales, and number of customers. So we can all do that by clicking this plus sign here, and as you can see, we can count it. This is by counting, and we'll filter by what condition, where the, let's say, the status, where the status is completed. How many do we have? You count it is 4. Can you see that? Then you add another condition where the status is pending. This is the magic that is coming, is pending, is 0. So you add another condition where the status is we say cancelled, right? Okay, and it is 0. So like that, you can actually filter by condition, any condition that you want. Whether you're looking for, you can set to count, you can set to, let's say, total sales. Total sales. Yeah. So we can filter it, you can count, you can add your this thing, and you go to here when product is equal to, or when you add you can enter the value that you want. This is sales amount, so you can as well total your sums and all that. But because of time, let us go here. I want us to insert a chart in what we have done here. So we can actually create a chart here. You can see, you can use it to 66% is for completed sales, and 16.7, which is cancelled sales, and 16.7 is also pending. So as you can see, so this is our chart. So if you click the plus sign that is here, that's where you can either by bar chart. Okay, this is your bar chart. You can do as many as you can. You can have a scattered chart. Look at the scattered chart here. This is for completed, and this is for pending and cancelled. So you come here again and you click this plus sign, and you can have a donuts chart. So all in one. Look at the dashboard. So we have donuts, we have pie charts, we have the donut charts, we have the line chart. Let me create the line chart. So you can see, look at the dashboard. So for business, when you're looking at this in a business angle, Airtable Dashboards helps businesses or business owners and team monitor important members, identify trends, and make faster decisions without manually going through the entire dashboard. So your take home today is that instead of digging through hundreds of Airtable records, you now have a dashboard and which gives you the big picture at a glance. So